Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk A50, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the nibs on the Veikk A50 pen. So, in the box with this Veikk device, you have this tool. This tool is created for changing nibs. So, as you can see, here we have the nib, and to change it, you need to insert the nib into this tool, make it in this way, and just take it off. Of course, you can do it using even your teeth. Sometimes this is the best tool to do it, but you can do it using the nails. So, for example, you need to have the piece of paper, and then just try to catch the nib in your fingers. You can try to rotate it, and great, in this way you can change the nibs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.